Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to log into your Merge Gardens account quickly and safely. First of all, launch the Merge Garden app on your device and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version for the best experience. On the main screen, you will see the play button or the Plarium ID and Facebook Connect logo. To log into your existing account or to create a new one, you can go ahead and select either Plarium ID or the Facebook option. In my case, I'm just going to tap on Plarium ID. Now it will take you to login interface of Plarium ID. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your Plarium ID account. If you don't have a Plarium ID yet, you can tap on Create an account. After typing down your email, you'll need to type in your password for your account. Type it down in the password field and click on Login. After clicking on the Login button, you will be able to log into your Plarium ID successfully. Tap on Back to the game, and you'll be able to sign into your Merge Garden account. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.